Okay, I think we are good. So, hello, my name's Alyssa Holbert. If you start to hear some chatter in the background, I do have a 14-month-old son, and he is wide awake. So, sorry if you hear that, but the app that I did or website that I decided to talk about is actually Prodigy. I didn't hear about it until I came to the school that I'm currently working at. It is a software where they have math or English, and it gives problems to the students based on their grade level. You can also assign assignments in there. You can also um, track students' progress, see how many in a row they've gotten right or wrong. So I'm going to show you both from a teacher point of view and from a student perspective. So we'll go in to my teacher profile that's linked to all the classes, and we will create a student account. And then we'll answer a few questions just so you can kind of see what that looks like. So let me just share my screen. Okay. All right, so let me make this full screen. So to look up Prodigy, you just search in Prodigy. You'll go right here to log in. This is the sign up part. I'm logged in with Google, so go to Google, I'll press my account. You can link your Google Classroom accounts, which is also very nice, so you don't have to individually enter each student, but I manage multiple classes, so I have to individually enter them since I don't have them assigned on my Google Classroom. So I'll just press continue. So this is what it looks like from the teacher dashboard. Over here, I have all my different classes. We can actually click here. Oh, all classes. You can see the co-teachers, the class codes, and then you can edit the class name or assign grade level. So, like, this is the fourth grade class, so they're on fourth grade level. Um, and then we will just click on second grade and enter that class. So, this is what it looks like on the class view. So, we've created a class, add students if you need to add more students, which I'm going to add me an account on here just for continue to review. I'm gonna need to write this down so I know my login. Hold on just a second. Okay. Create student accounts. View login details. So, okay. AMSSAH4A1 and then bear 94. Okay, so now back to that teacher view. You can assign topics. So these are all topics you can choose from. If if there was some students that were struggling with addition to 20, we can assign that topic to them. Okay, so then you can actually view your dashboard and see if they had done it. On the dashboard, you see the student leaderboard, and that shows you that you can view their assignment reports, which they haven't done this one, so there's really no data there to show. Um, since we're on her class, go to press all classes. Okay, and then we will go enter sixth grade, which they also don't have any topics. So, but we can go to students. This class is not very helpful because only one of them have gotten on their accounts. Let's this one. Yes. Okay. Apparently none of them got on their accounts either. It's crazy. Sorry. Okay. This class probably don't mind that. Um, okay. Well, we're just gonna get on and play. So I can show you that, but you can assign assignments, you can view reports. Oh, So they do a placement test. It's in progress. This is a sign. I can view the report. Only one of them have taken it so far. So I can see where she tested for different things like on grade level, well below grade level, at or above grade level. Um, so now let's go ahead and log out. So I'm going to go here, log out, and then now I'll press I'm a student, so play Prodigy. Yes, because I have my login. So we'll type in my login that generated. Okay. Then we'll log in. When the students first log in, they'll be able to select their animal. I'll do that one. Okay. So you can play at home or at school. At home, there's nothing bad. It just allows them to do more within the app. So we'll go home. Um, Okay, and then here's where you can select math or English. So we'll go with math, and I'll show you, which it's gonna make me do a tutorial and walk through.
What does your wizard look like?
Okay, so
Don't worry,
then
you can change this later.
you can just dress your wizard however you see fit, and then you go in here. Turn that down so it's not so loud. Okay, so this is kind of the introduction. It leads you into here, and then you'll do your first battle.
These magic battles are the most fun way to learn. You can practice casting spells on me if you want. What's that?
Okay. All right. So we can do that. It's basically like catching Pokemon. So they'll come at me with something, and then once I run out of energy, so it'll pop up questions like this. And so 9 plus 2 is 11. And so I got it correct. So I'll get my energy back and be able to do something again. And then once I run out again, I'll show you what happens when you get it. Okay, it's not gonna make me. So yeah, it's just a fun little game that allows students to see different ways to do the math, while also making it fun. So now I'm gonna get out of here. Give me just a second. Since it's in the tutorial, I can't really do anything. So, um, okay. So we're just gonna exit out of here. We'll go back. Okay, so continue home, and we'll go back to English. And we'll look at the English one. Just leave it like that for now.
Pick a name.
Do it, Heron. Sounds fun.
The day started out great. Everyone loved the presentation and thought your model village was amazing.
Skip that.
Oh, hello. I've been waiting a long time for someone like you. Why don't you try using it to fix this? Oh, it worked. You must have been sent here to restore the village back to normal. And so I'll be here to help you along the way. As your guide, I'll give you You've got a lot
So there's different tasks that it'll assign you.
First, you're going to need let me show you how to get more. This is the job board. You can earn more gold, but let's track this job so we can complete it. This is the entrance to the wild. This is where you'll find all the items you need to complete the job.
So it assigns you different
You're
tasks,
going to need more energy.
and then here's how you get the energy. They all have on red, or them all have on red, which is they. So then that's how you get your energy by answering the questions correctly. So that is Prodigy. I hope you guys all enjoyed. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.